Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today, we are going to delve into a crucial aspect of business continuity, IT disaster recovery planning (DRP), with a focus on ISO 22301. In today's digital age, IT systems are the backbone of many organizations. However, they are also vulnerable to various threats, including cyber attacks, hardware failures, and natural disasters. That's where IT disaster recovery planning comes in. IT disaster recovery planning involves developing strategies and procedures to ensure the timely recovery of IT systems and data following a disruptive event. It's essential for minimizing downtime, protecting data integrity, and maintaining business continuity. Importance of IT DRP. Why is IT disaster recovery planning important? Well, consider the consequences of prolonged IT system downtime, loss of revenue, damage to reputation, and legal and regulatory compliance issues. An effective DRP helps organizations mitigate these risks and recover swiftly from disruptions. Key components of IT DRP. A comprehensive IT disaster recovery plan typically includes key components like identifying potential threats to IT systems and assessing their impact, determining the criticality of IT systems and prioritizing recovery efforts, developing strategies for restoring IT systems and data, including backup and restoration of procedures, regularly testing the DRP and updating it as needed to ensure effectiveness, providing training to IT personnel and raising awareness about their roles and responsibilities during recovery efforts. ISO 22301 provides a framework for developing and implementing a business continuity management system (BCMS), which includes IT disaster recovery planning. By aligning with ISO 22301, organizations can ensure a systematic approach to IT DRP and enhance overall business resilience. Key principles of ISO 22301 for IT DRP. ISO 22301 emphasizes several key principles that are relevant to IT DRP, including leadership commitment, risk management, business impact analysis, and continual improvement. These principles provide a solid foundation for developing effective IT DRP strategies. Testing and exercises. Regular testing and exercises are essential for validating IT disaster recovery plans and identifying areas for improvement. This includes conducting simulated disaster scenarios, testing backup and restoration procedures, and evaluating response times. Collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration and communication are critical during IT recovery efforts. Organizations must establish channels for sharing information, coordinating response efforts, and maintaining communication with stakeholders. In conclusion, IT disaster recovery planning is a vital component of business continuity, especially in today's digital landscape. By aligning with ISO 22301 and adopting best practices in IT DRP, organizations can minimize downtime, protect data integrity, and ensure continuity of operations in the face of IT disruptions. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the importance of IT disaster recovery planning. Remember, proactive planning is key to resilience in the digital age. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.